Hey, welcome back to my channel. And if you are watching this video directly without watching our previous video, then I highly request you to watch that video first. It's in my I button. So let's start this video. Pamela, dive.
It's all roaches.
Go. Oh my god. Cool. And how's the feeling?
It's very cold.
It's cold.
But nice.
Oh wow.
Oh,
We'll come afterwards. Come from there only, come.
You lost your specs.
You lost the specs?
Yeah.
She's forcing him to go to pool. Bro, get inside pool. So guys, I'm getting inside a pool at 12. Now let's check it how it's cold. She'll go first and I'll go second. So he's planning to jump from the opposite side.
But there is no depth. What can I do?
It doesn't matter. See,
Shut the fuck up and jump.
Date and Angel is looking from upside.
I'm thinking condoms. Jump, that's if you're gonna dive.
Yo! Oh my god! I'm waiting for my two friends. I don't know when they will come, but they are ladies, so that's why they are taking time.
रहा नहीं जाता तड़प ही ऐसी है ना नहीं सुके
It doesn't matter. We'll cook afterwards. Go na. Guys, there's two more ladies in the pool.
Yes! Water attack! Water attack! Yes! Get it. Do it.
Too cold.
Do it for. Do it.
Too cold, man.
Get down. Once you get down, you will not feel it.
Oh.
I swear.
You are saying you are not coming inside.
I am coming. You go.
In the middle of the night, we had an awesome time at the pool. The moon made everything glow, and we laughed and splashed around. It was one of those moments we will always remember. As we floated in the cool water, we couldn't stop giggling. The pool became a magical place where time didn't matter, and our friendship felt even stronger. It was a simple night, but it turned into a treasure of memories that we'll cherish forever. So hey, thank you for watching this video. If you really like this video, then don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed it yet. So let's continue.
Please come now. Again? Yeah.
What is you pulling me down?
माँ खराब हो जाएगा। मैं माँ अम्मा बहन पे आ जाऊंगा। मैं इनकी अम्मा बहन पे आ जाऊंगा।
Sensor? What kind of sensor?
Here if you press now, different lights will come.
It's already late and we are already starving. So we thought to have dinner first because we are so hungry, man. And others, they are still enjoying the night. I don't know when they will get out of the pool. Let's see what they are doing right now. Look at them. They are still playing, man. I think they will swim whole night. They are so enthusiastic about the water, man. Okay, we are not waiting for them and we are having dinner.
Because we are so hungry, that's why we are having. Because it will be cold by the time we wait for that. Otherwise you'll miss it.
Oh, can I?
Not at all, not deep at all. It's this much for me. Then imagine you are so taller, like taller than me. So it will come halfway for you.
Oh, please serve for me as well.
Okay, babes, I will serve. Enough, you took? Yeah, you took. This is sitting, will come. Ready?
Two different chicken, okay? This one is like chili chicken and that's the gravy one. So,
Nothing like that.
That will be fine.
They will. You put it.
okay, hold this.
Assam and that is South Indian.
Yeah.
No, both is.
What are Assam?
Both are from Northeast
I
food.
just cooked it. Whatever like I could. Yeah, whatever was there.
Assam special.
Nothing, no.
Bitch, if you don't mind, please give me
Nothing,
also.
Not at all. I don't know what kind of piece you want. Assam, we mix lots of
Fine, just one small one. Yeah, done. Thank you.
leafy vegetables.
What about non-veg?
Non-veg also we mix and eat. We don't eat chicken.
Oh, Smita, can you give me this one, this chicken?
This is my plate.
No, that's my.
This is yours.
What?
Yes. Riju did it.
So, did you taste the food?
Not yet. Little bit.
Okay.
How did Riju do? I forgot only. Something he did.
What you searching for?
Did you know he did something this one? He climbed.
No. Please taste the food and let us know how is it.
Yeah. I asked them the review. They're eating.
How is it, bro?
So nice.
Okay, so he's doing prayer. And tell us how is it. We are watching some movie or something like oh, it's a dictator movie. That's really pretty old movie, but still this movie is really nice, I must say. How's the food? Oh, how's the food? Smita, how's the
Oh,
food?
acha, acha. It's fine. It's nice.
Only
The
fine
salt
or good?
is less. Salt is less, no?
Good, better, worse? Anything?
It's fine. It's eatable.
Oh,
It's tasty. Very
only
tasty.
fine.
Yay.
How's it did?
Nice with them.
Yay.
From Kerala.
And I'm from West Bengal.
Dej. Where are you from? Say, hey, yeah, I forgot to introduce you all to Kevin. Kevin, where are you from? Where are you from? Kerala.
Wow! Very amazing!
Yay! Riju! Riju! Where are you from?
Kerala.
And here is our family. Oh, so sweet. And here is Allah. Babes.
My leg is hurting.
I know, right?
I don't know why. I think I'm feeling cold.
Intense game.
zoom करो
何なのあの日
戦略を練ってるのさあいつは IQ200 以上の超天才野郎だ
So this is for morning ride.